Alright guys, running the filler 7 for the Glock 22 for JD. 10 spots, $10 a spot. Winner received 1 spot in the main. It's 4:04 p.m. We are live. 4:04. Here's our list. Roll 2 dice and go 4 times. I better make sure. I haven't had to do that yet, but I think it's 4 or higher on here. Yeah, 4 or higher. Thought it was. Just want to make sure. Going 4 times. Good luck. 1 Jeff. 2 Jeremy. 3 Matthew. 4:04 p.m. One more time. 4th and final. Justin Perlow, spot 4. You're done. 4:05 p.m. Congrats.